Hello, our dear student. Now we will make a final revision for our curriculum. The first part is algebra. Choose the correct answer from the given ones. Number one, if the radius length of the sphere is 6 centimeter, then the volume. Remember with me the volume of the sphere. The volume of the sphere equal 4 over 3 pi r cube. Then after substitute for r equal 6, it will be 4 over 3 pi times 6 power to 3. Then let pi as itself, not substitution for pi. The solution will be respected to pi. After simplify, it will be number D 288 pi. We are in number 2. If the lowest boundary of the set is 10 and the upper boundary is x, then and its center is 50. Remember with me the rule here, center of the set equals lowest value or lowest boundary plus upper value over 2. After simplify, the center is 15 equal the lowest is 10 and the upper I don't know over 2, make crisscross, it will be 30 equal 10 plus u, 10 go to the other hand side, then the upper value will be 20. Okay. We are in number 3 now. Number 3, I think it's a very easy problem. You can make it by your calculator. 2 cube root of 2 power to 3. Then I will distribute the root. It would be 8 times 2. It will be 16. I think it's very easy. The median of the value of كذا. Remember with me the value of the median. The median is the middle value after a range. يبقى at the first I will make a range for them. It will be 4. A range ascending or descending. 4, 22, 23, 25, 34, and 40. Then we have two value in the middle. I will adding them and divided by 2. 23 plus 25 equal 48 over 2 equals 24. Here, number 5. If the arithmetic mean of the value 27, 8, 16, 6k is 14, then k. The arithmetic mean come from this relation, sum of value divided by number of value. Then I will make 27 plus 8 plus 16 plus 6 plus k, I don't know the value of k, over how many value here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over 5 equals the value of the mean is 14 equals 14. It will be after making adding, it will be 57 plus k over 5 equal 14. After make crisscross, it will be 57 plus k equals 70. 57 go to the other hand side by the inverse side. It will be k equals 70 minus 57. It will be equal 13. 13, the chooses number A. Done. Here, if the mode of the set of value 4, 11, 8, and 2x is 4, then the mode, what's the meaning of the mode? The mode is the most common value. The mode here is 4, then 2x must be 4, يعني 2 times what equal 4? It would be 2, then x would be 2. Okay, I think it's very easy up till now. We are in number 7. We are in number 7. If the arithmetic mean of the values 18 plus 23 2k minus 1k is 18, then k. Here, like the previous problem, the mean equal sum of value divided by number of value. It will be 18 plus 23 plus 29 plus 2k minus 1 plus k over what? How many values? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 5 equal 80. After making adding and simplify, it will be 69 plus 3k, 3k, 3k come from 2k plus k over 5 equal 80. After making crisscross, it will be 69 plus 3k equals 5 times 18 equal 90. 69 go to the other hand side, it will be 3k equal 90 minus 69. It will be 3k equals 21 divided by 3 here. Then k equals 7. Then my choice will be number B. طيب. Number 8. If the lowest limit of set is 4 and the upper limit is 8, then the center. Remember with me, the center is the lowest value plus upper value over 2 will be 4 plus 8 over 2. It will be 12 over 2. It will be 6. Up till now, I think the revision is very easy. Please just attention with me. We are in number 9 in the algebra curriculum. Number 9. If 3/4 of the volume of the sphere is 8 pi cubic centimeters, then the radius. Remember with me the volume of the sphere, it's a very important rule. Volume of the sphere equal 4 over 3 pi r cube. Here, he said that 3/4 of my volume, it will be 3/4 in the front of my rule, 3/4 of my front of my rule, it will be 3/4 of my volume, 4 over 3 pi r cube equals what? The real volume اللي هو الفوليوم الحقيقي 8 pi. Take care here. I make equation here. 3/4 of the rule, 3/4 of the volume. It means 3/4 like this of my rule equal the real volume 8 pi. Then we have equation here. I will make a simplify. I will remove pi with pi and 3 with 3, 4 with 4. At the final, r cube equal 8. I think it's very easy. R cube equal 8 by taking the cube root will be 2. It's a very important problem. Number 10, the median. What's the meaning of the median? The median is a value which in the middle after arrange the values. Look at here. I will make arrange ascending. I will write k plus 1, comma, k plus 2, k plus 3, comma, k plus 4, and k plus 5. Then I arranged them ascending from the small to big, k plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3, k plus 4, k plus 5. Where is the middle value? K plus 3. And the median here is 13. Then k plus 3 equals 13. Then k will be 10. It's very easy. Number 11. If I have x given by this value, root 3 plus 2, and y, root 3 minus 2, then the ordered pair of xy and x plus 1. Look at this. They are two conjugate number, root 3 plus 2 and root 3 minus 2. The first projection here, xy. What's the meaning of xy? It means the product of two conjugate number. The product of two conjugate number come from what? Come from the first power 2, 3 minus, it's always minus, the second power 2, 4. We know 3 minus 4 equal negative 1. Then my first projection xy equal negative 1. Here x plus y, we know it means the sum of our two conjugate numbers. We know the sum of two conjugate number equal double the first, it will be 2 root 3. Then my answer will be number B, negative 1 and 2 root 3. We are in number 12 now. Here it's a repeated problem. The mean is very important. The mean equals sum of value divided by number of value. After making it, it will be 30. Number 13, the number of 1 minus root 5 times 1 plus root 5. I think it's very easy. It's a two conjugate number. But here he asked about the kind of the number. It will be positive, natural, or rational, or irrational, or prime. Then I will solve it. Two conjugate numbers, their product equals the first power 2 minus the second power 2 will be 1 minus 5. 1 minus 5, it will be negative 4. Negative 4, it's a rational number. Here, number 14, I have two interval here. I can represent them on my number line like this. The half open interval, negative 1, open, and 3 is closed like this. And negative 3 here, negative 3 is closed, and negative 1 here is closed. Okay. He asked me about the intersection. What's the meaning of intersection? Intersection is the common element between two intervals. Here, negative 1 is the common, but negative 1 open in the first interval and closed in the second interval. Then there is no common element between them. Then my answer will be 4. Okay. طيب. Look at the next. Number 15. Number 15, the solution set of my equation x power 2 plus 3 in real number. Then 3 will go to the other hand side. Then x power 2 equal negative 3. After taking the square root, there is no square root for negative number. Then my answer would be 5. Here, number 16, it's very easy. It's a two conjugate number, and I want their difference. The difference of two conjugate number is double the second. From here, it will be 2 root 7. 2 root 7. I will choose it. I think it's a very easy final revision for you. We are in number 17. Number 17, if the order of the median of the set of value is fourth, then the order of the median is fourth, then the number of values. The order of the median is fourth. What it mean? It mean the median order is fourth, then I have three values before it, and I have three values after it. Then how many values here? 3 plus 3 equals 6. And my median 1, it will be 7 values. Number 18, if the mode of the set of values 5, 9, 5, x minus 2, and 9 is 9, then my mode is 9. Then 9 must be most repeated. Then x minus 2 will be equal 9. Then x must be equals 11. Number 19, R. What's the meaning of R? The set of real number. Then I will choose the answer number C. What about number 20? It's last one of our final revision. R positive, the set of positive real number. It's from 0, but 0 doesn't use us. To positive infinity, then my answer will be number A. 0 open and the positive infinity, it's always open. Now, we finished our algebra final revision. Then I will go to the second part of our final revision, the part of geometry. I think it's very easy. Here, look at the first problem. If ABC is a equilateral triangle, all sides are equal in length, then the measure of angle ACD. What about angle ACD? Is exterior angle. All of my angle is equal 60 degree. Then my exterior angle equal 120 degree. In triangle ABC, which is right at B, you can draw right angle triangle like this, right angle triangle like this, and call it ABC. It's right in B. AC, it's my hypotenuse, equal 20 centimeter. Then the length of the median, which is drawn from angle B, we know the median, which is drawn from the vertex of the right angle triangle, equal half the hypotenuse. It's a theorem. Then it will be equals what? Equal 10 centimeter. Good job. Look at the second problem or the third problem. XYZ is a triangle in which measure of angle Z is 70 degree and the measure of angle Y is 60 degree. Then XY comparing with XZ. Type. I will draw triangle here. X, Y, Z. Measure of angle Z equals 70 degree and the measure of angle Y equals 60 degree. Then I can get measure of angle X. X come from 180 minus open bracket 70 plus 60. 70 plus 60 equal 130. Then angle X equal 50 degree. Here I comparing between YZ. Apply the method of opposite angle. YZ opposite to the missing letter. It will be angle X, and XY opposite the angle Z. What about angle X and angle Z? Angle X equal 50 degree and angle Z equal 70 degree. Okay. Then I think YZ is the smallest one. I think YZ is smaller than XY. Okay. يبقى YZ is smaller than XY because YZ opposite to what? YZ opposite to 50 degree, then I will choose number B. We are in number 4, the length, which can be lengths of side of triangle. We know the inequality of triangle. It says that any two side of triangle, or the sum of any two side of triangle, must be more than the third side. Look at this. 0 plus 3, not more than 5. Look at number B. 3 plus 3 equals 6, and 6 more than 5. It satisfied my relation. Number C. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Not satisfied. 3 plus 3 less than 7. Then I will choose number B because it satisfied my inequality of triangle. It says that the sum of any two sides of triangle must be more than the third side. Look at number 5. The triangle in which the measure of two angles is 42 and 69 is what? Then I will get the missing angle. The missing angle will be 69. Then I have here two equals angle. If I have two equal angle, then my triangle will be an isosceles. I think it's very easy. We are in number 6 now. The triangle which has three axes of symmetry, we know it will be equilateral triangle. Then my choice will be number D. We are in number 7. The sum of lengths of two sides in triangle will be greater than the third side. Then I will choose number A. Look at number 9. In triangle ABC, if measure of angle B equal 130 degree, then the longest side. Okay. Measure of angle B is obtuse angle, then it will be the greatest angle in my triangle by apply the property of opposite side or the missing side. Then B opposite to AC. It's clear. We're looking for the longest side. In triangle XYZ, it's isosceles triangle which measure of angle X equal 100 degree. Then 100 degree will be the measure of the vertex angle. The vertex angle. Then the measure of angle Y. Y, it's one of the angle of the base of my isosceles triangle will be 180 minus 100 over 2. It will be 40 degree. Number 11. Be ready for number 11. Number 11. The measure of the exterior angle of a equilateral triangle equals what? Equals 120. It will be like this. The number of axes of symmetry of isosceles triangle equals what? We know the number of axes of symmetry of an isosceles triangle is 1. We are in number 13 now. In triangle ABC, the measure of angle A equals 50 degree, measure of angle B equals 60, then the longest side. At the first, looking for the missing angle, 50 and 60 equal 110, then measure of angle C equal 70 degree. We're looking for the longest side. Longest side opposite the greatest angle, C opposite to AB. Then my longest side is AB. Choose AB like this. I will choose AB. Okay, I will choose AB. What in number 14 now? Triangle XYZ is right angle at Y. Triangle is right at Y. Here Y, and here X, and here is Z. Then XZ is the longest side. It's opposite to the right angle. Then XZ, it will be more than any side. Okay. Then I will choose number A. We are in number 15 now. Number 15. The length of the median drawn from the vertex of right angle triangle is not the hypotenuse. It will be equal half the hypotenuse. It's very easy. Number 16. The number of axes of symmetry of the isosceles triangle is 1. Number 17. The numbers 5, 4, and dots can be lengths of side of triangle. We know the inequality of triangle. The sum of any two sides of triangle must be more than the third side. If I choose 8, then 5 plus 4 more than 8. It can be. But number B, 5 plus 4 equal 9. Not satisfied. 5 plus 3, 5 plus 4 less than 10. Not satisfied. And 5 plus 4 less than 12. Then I will choose number A. Why? Because 5 plus 4 more than 8. We are in number 18. If the length of two sides of an isosceles triangle is, if the length of two sides of an isosceles triangle are 13 centimeter and 6 centimeter, then the length of the third side. We know this the problem. I said in the session, just choose the greatest, then it will be 13 to satisfy the inequality of triangle. Here number 19. If the measure of two angle of triangle is 50 and 80, then the triangle will be what? Then we must get the third angle, 50 and 80. Then the third angle will be 50. Then we have two equal angle here, then it will be an isosceles triangle. The last one. AD is a median like this. In triangle ABC, M is midpoint, as you see. M is the point of intersection of the median. The median MD is 2 centimeter. Again, AD is a median in triangle ABC. M is the point of intersection, the point of concurrence of the median. MD equal 2 centimeter, as you see, looking for AD. We know the small part half the big part. Then AM equals 4 centimeter. Then all my median it will be 4 plus 2, 6 centimeter. Good luck for all. Be ready for your exam. Thank you.